Today I'm taking with the VEVOR F clamps. There's definitely some nice large clamps. We do have some instructions. This one is the F1500 24 2P. So that's 2 pieces. Has a clamping force of 1,500 pounds, maximum clamping size of 24 inches, and a throat depth of 3 7/8. So the throat depth meaning how deep you can clamp something inside. And that is also what I'm getting, 3 7/8, directly to the bar, to the tip. And I got a little box. So these are actually little protective covers for those clamps. This is already a plastic. It's kind of a firm plastic, so if you want to use something even softer than that, you can just use these. So if you're working on a wood project or something like that and you want to make sure you're not going to scratch it up, that's a good way of doing that. Now these are actually the covers for the actual head, which is inside, so you can see it is a bit smaller. It is going to provide a lot more surface area and of course a softer surface. So they twisty tied this on so we don't have to worry about losing it. And if we look inside the bottom, we can see we got a nice large metal surface here on the bottom, and then we got this little plunger, which is going to apply pressure. The thing I can't say that I like about this one is got a nice rubber handle on here, so you can really get a good grip on that. So as long as this is applying force, it is going to pull up like that, and this is going to lock in place, so you can't really move it. If we relieve the pressure, that will allow it to drop down, so we can slide that up and down however we want. So you can get nice quick adjustments on here and then give it a couple of twists to lock that down. Now the interesting thing about this is you can see we got another surface here, so we can slip another one of these covers on. To slide this guy all the way off and thread it back on, and now instead of a clamp we have a spreader. So if we want to apply force from the inside, we can do that. So that leaves this. All this is a little pin, so we can take that, drop that over the hole, and that'll lock that in place, and that'll prevent this thing from sliding off accidentally. That way we can hang this guy up. You don't have to worry about anything coming apart. The only thing better than one clamp, more than one clamp. I do appreciate those are nice tight fits, so I don't have to worry about them coming off. Oh yeah, super tight. This is much tighter than I was expecting this to get. Cool. That is a very heavy duty clamp, so I'm happy with that.